right, good morning and welcome to week 12 here. I hope you had a great vacation or reading break or whatever you'd like to call that last week. Coffee. All right, so the Python group, you got your exams this week. There's the 11:30 group has their exam today, and the 10 o'clock group has their exam on Thursday. C++ group, you should be rocking on your WSQs, your Masteries. The Masteries are due officially tonight. I'm actually going to push Masteries for everyone back to Wednesday, just because I feel like being extra nice today. Let's see, other things. So let's go, and I'll look at the WSQs for Python here, because they're the same, really. Let's take a look at this week's latest WSQ is estimating E. So there you go, a picture of some cookies shaped like E. You can calculate E with this series, 1 over n factorial. You already know how to use factorial, or you can use your own calculation or whatever is built into the language you have. Do a calculation of E to a certain amount of accuracy. The parameter will be the number of digits of accuracy, and have fun with that. The TC1017 course, the C++ course, I want to make sure you're paying attention. Final project. You should be working on that now. We're on week 12, so that means we have 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We have 5 weeks left. You should be starting on the project now if you haven't already. There's the project details. Most importantly, make sure you have a GitHub repository set up. I'm setting it up for you, so you need to tell me who your teammates are. Everyone else has said who their teammates are. I'm going to do a check here today and make sure who doesn't have teammates and start pairing people up. Once you have your teammates, you'll be able to go to GitHub. Well, you won't be able to. Once you have your teams and then I create the GitHub repository for you, you'll have, say, a GitHub repository like this. Samir Jose Luis has a team, and I uploaded their initial versions of sudoku.cpp and a example input file. I'll just quickly show you how to deal with this input file. Let me make a really big font here. I think I have this in my temp directory. Temp. You compile the program, and then when you run the program, it's going to complain, hey, I need a file name. Oh, okay, so you run it with the file name, say sudoku01.txt. You can use any other file you want. You'll need to create one that looks similar to this. But if you look at the one I gave you, print is already implemented, and it prints this Sudoku board, which is 9 by 9, has some spaces. Yours can look prettier. You can have some lines between it and some column numbers or letters and colors, whatever you want to add to this, go for it. You'll notice that that file's simply a text file that looks just like what I showed you there. The format's defined by what's inside the CPP file, which reads the board. I've already implemented that for you. Go to town. All right, I think that should be pretty well it for this week. Crank away. Make sure you're checking in with me during office hours. You can always check in with Ken at kenbauer.youcanbook.me and make an office hours, or just come by my office and see if I'm here. All right, have an awesome week, and we'll see you all in class and online.